Hello, Nirvan. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Well, this is for my subscribers. Nirvan is a grade 5 student who is now ready to solve some algebraic equations. We have started with linear equations. Nirvan, can you tell me how you have picked up so fast so that in grade 5 you can solve algebraic equations?
Well, in the summer, I studied hard so that I could reach to this point.
Mhm.
I did a little of pre-algebra too, so that it made me um more better at this subject.
So, what in pre algebra did you learn?
Well, we learned about exponents, integers, and fractions.
That's great. And also, you're familiar with order of operation, correct?
Yeah.
So today we are going to test some of your skills working with rational functions, mixed
Oh,
fractions, also applying distributive property, and we'll also see and understand that equations may have solutions, they may not have solutions, or they may even have many solutions. Okay,
okay.
let's begin by sharing the lesson for today. So this is our level 3 solving linear equations. We have variables on both sides. We'll be working with integers, performing BATMAS operations. And as I said, some equations may not have solution. Some equations may have infinite solutions. Once we understand all these concepts, we'll have a test paper for all our viewers. Perfect?
Yes.
Now, let's take up the questions one by one. Here is the first set of 4 questions for you. So these are 4 equations where you can see that x, the variable, the unknown, whose value we have to find is on the left-hand side as well as on the right-hand side. Now tell me, how will you solve these questions? Let's go one by one. Question number 1, 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 5. How will you
So
solve
first, in this question, you see the variables are on different sides of the equal sign.
Yeah,
So you have to bring it to the left. So what I would do, I would bring x to the left and then it will become minus. So then it will equal to 2x minus x.
equals
And
to,
then I want to bring that 3 to the rightmost side of 5 and it'll become positive. So then it'll become 5 plus 3.
correct.
So then 2x minus x equals to x. So x equals to 8.
Perfect. How will you solve the next question?
Uh, so you bring it again. 3x minus x equals to minus 3 plus 4.
Perfect.
So then 3x minus x is 2x. So 2x equals to minus 3 plus 4 minus 1. Oh no, 1, 1, 1, 1.
1. So what is x equals to?
X equals to half.
That's correct. Now, question number 3. We have 2 times x plus 6 equals to x plus 4. What will you do in this case? Let me do it here. So the question here is 2 times x plus 6 equals to x plus 4. Tell
We
me.
also did this in order of operation too. I remember it's just you have to do the brackets first, so you deal with them first.
Yeah.
If it's in the bracket, you mean you have to multiply with the 2 that's beside it. You have to multiply both of them.
So distribute 2x and
Yeah.
6, right? So you get,
And you get 2x plus 12 equals 2x plus 4.
now we'll do the same operation as we did earlier, right? Bringing x to the left and the numbers to the right. What do you
Yes.
get?
2x minus x equals to 4 minus 12.
Mhm.
So then x equals to 12 minus 4, 7. I mean minus 7.
Minus 8.
Oh yeah, I keep thinking the other way sometimes. It gets confusing.
No problems. Next question. We have 2x plus 4
Oh, plus 6. 6.
equals to 2 times x plus 2.
Oh yeah, never mind. We did that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now what will you do?
So you multiply what's in the brackets first. So then 2x plus 4 equals to 2x plus 2.
2 times 2. You have to multiply with both.
I mean plus 4.
Correct.
Yeah.
So what do you get? This is 2x, sorry. So let me
So
read.
you can see that it's right, it's written 2x plus 4 equals, okay, write it first.
2x plus 4 is 2x
2x
plus 4.
plus 4. So it does equal to 2x plus 4.
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
Tell me, what does that mean? So we could actually bring
Well,
x's together and the numbers
because
together
when you bring it, it's going to become 0. So that
equals to
means
0.
there's no solution.
That means all solutions. That means infinite.
All solutions, okay. Infinite. So
That
if you
means
balance the variable, then it equals to
all
0.
values are true. All values of x are true.
Yeah, so it could be anything, right?
Yes. You can check. If I put x equals to, let us say, 0, what do we get? We get 4 equals to 2 times 2, which is also 4. Do you see that?
Yeah.
If I put x equals to 1, what do I get? I get 2 plus 4 on the left side, and on the right side, we get 2 times 1 plus 2, right? Which is
Yeah.
6 equals to 2 times 3, which is also 6. So every value of x becomes a solution. So when you get 0 equals to 0, then we have infinite solutions as in this particular case. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Perfect. Now let's take up the next question, which is question number 5 for us, from the set
Okay.
of next 4 questions, correct? So the very first one is x minus 3 equals to 1 minus 2 times x plus 3. Let's rewrite here. We've got a lot of space here. X minus 3 equals to 1 minus 2 times x plus 3. How are you going to solve this equation?
So this time, you first simplify it.
Okay.
So you multiply, you see the bracket, just pretend um 1 and the minus, and so you would put, okay, so then 2,
Multiply by minus 2, both the
yeah,
terms.
minus 2, because minus 2 is part of it, right? 1
Yeah, yeah.
minus 2. So minus 2 times x plus 3. You do that first.
And then minus 2 times 3 will be minus 6. So what you're doing here is multiplying with minus 2 both these terms. You understand? So remember,
Yeah.
minus 2 times plus 3 is going to be minus 6. And now you have to combine the terms, bringing x to the left side and the y terms to the right side. Okay, so let's do it. So we get x plus 2x equals to 1 minus 6 plus 3. Does it make sense to you?
Yes.
Now solve it. X plus 2x is how much?
So 3x equals to minus 5 plus 3.
Hmm.
And then you write it, which 3x equals to minus 2. So then x equals to minus 2 over 3.
Correct. So you could get fractions as your answers, as we got in this particular case. Is it making sense to you?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's take up the next question, which is question number 6 for us.
Okay, 1 minus 3x minus 6 equals to 2 times, I mean 2x minus 3.
Yeah, open the bracket. What do you get? 1 minus. We have to
1 minus,
change the signs of the terms in the bracket, correct?
yeah,
So it will be 1 minus 3x plus 6 equals to multiply by 2. So you get
2x minus 6.
minus 6. So bring x's to the left side. Minus 3x minus 2.
Minus 3x minus
Numbers on the
2x
right side.
equals to minus 6 plus 1.
So minus 1. That plus 1
Minus
also
1.
goes.
Oh.
Now, on the left-hand side, we have minus 3x minus 2x. How much will that be?
That will be minus 5x.
On the right side, minus 6 minus 6 is how much?
Minus 1 is minus 7, minus 7, minus 6, minus 13.
And we get x equals to minus 13 over minus 5,
Minus 5, yeah.
which is 13 over 5, because the
Yeah,
two
you
negatives.
cancel the minus. Minus and minus is plus.
Correct. Do you understand all this?
Yeah.
Correct.
Now I'll try to solve the next one myself to like
Sure.
see.
So question number 7. So you have understood the strategy. We have 2x minus 4 times x plus 1 equals to 4. Tell me. I'll just write down all the steps. Next step.
Okay, so then you'd write it as 2x, and then you can continue from the brackets. So you see it'll be minus 4x multiplying x plus 1, right?
Yeah.
So then it would be minus 4x plus minus 4
Yeah.
or minus 4 equals to 4.
Yeah.
So then you keep it on that side. 2x minus 4x equals to 4 plus 4.
Correct.
So then 2x minus 4x would be minus 2x. So minus 2x equals to 8. So then x equals to 8 over minus 2, which is minus 4.
Perfect. So that becomes a solution in this particular case. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Last question, question number 8. So these are like your test questions, right? So we have 2 times 3x plus 4 equals to 3 times 2x plus 1. Tell me, how are you going to solve this?
So first you do the bracket, you simplify it. So it equals to 6x plus 8. 6x plus 8 equals to 6x plus 3.
Next.
6x minus 6x equals to 3 minus 8. So if you notice, yeah, 6x minus 6x equals 0. So then 0 equals to 3.
3 minus 8 is minus 5.
But 0 doesn't equal to minus 5. 0 equals 0. So it's not allowed. It's never true. There's no solution at all. That means.
So in this question, we do not have any solution. So here, as you can see, we had situations where there was no solution. There was a situation where we had infinite solutions. And normally, for a linear equation, you get one solution. With that in mind, let's take up the test. So here are first 4 questions for the test for our subscribers. I would like you to pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my videos. And then after doing these 4, we have another set of 4 questions. As you can see here, we have dealt with some of these solutions, but it's a good idea to work on them once again. Does make a point?
Yes.
Very good. So with that, I can stop sharing and you can now summarize what did you learn in today's lesson.
So today I learned about new concepts and new steps about algebraic equations today.
Correct. So could you elaborate? What was the new thing which you learned today?
So it was really like bringing it to the other side, bringing the x to the other side, more of that.
Applying the distributive property. And you
Yeah.
also learned that an equation sometimes can have infinite solutions and sometimes no
Yeah.
solution at all.
I
Right?
think the part that's tricky is that sometimes when it's for example -2 and in brackets x minus 1, then it's like tricky to multiply it sometimes if you think about it.
You are right. Perfect. So with that, we are going to end the class. And in our next lesson, we'll take level 4, which is going to be even tougher. We are going to work with rational numbers a lot more in level 4. Perfect. Get ready for that now. Okay then, Nirvan, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.